Good morning, everyone. Today, we'll be studying about another important resource of the world, and that is your water. As we all know, that three-fourths of the Earth's surface is covered with a vital, renewable, natural resource as water. Why renewable? Because it can be replenished very quickly, right? Through your water cycle. So, three-fourths of the Earth's surface is covered with water, right? Ocean covers about two-thirds of the Earth's surface and supports a rich variety of plant and animal life. But this ocean water, which covers two-thirds of the Earth's surface, is saline and it is not fit for human consumption, right? Only 2.7% of the fresh water is available for human consumption. But out of this 2.7%, 70% of the fresh water which is available, right, it is not accessible to humans. Why? Because it is available as ice sheets and glaciers in Antarctica, Greenland, and mountain region, and it is inaccessible because of its location. Thus, only 1% of fresh water is useful for human consumption. Water can neither be added nor subtracted from the earth, and its total volume remains constant. Why? Because of the water cycle which is there, which keeps going on. The water gets evaporated, it condenses, and again it comes in the form of rainfall, and this water cycle continues, right? And that is why water can neither be added nor subtracted. It and its total volume, it remains constant. Now, problems of water availability, we face water availability problem, right? Most parts of the world are facing shortages in the fresh water supply. Countries located in climatic zones most susceptible to droughts face great problems of water scarcity. Now, the countries which are there in the climatic zone means the countries which are near the equator, right? The Tropic of Cancer, it divides the earth into two equal halves. Sorry, the Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves, right? And the areas which lie near Tropic of Cancer, right, they are more prone to droughts as well. They are more prone to droughts as well, right? The annual rainfall is very less, right? The soil is not able to retain water, and so, right, these places, these areas face drought like conditions in summers. Thus, water shortage may be a consequence of violation in seasonal or annual precipitation. And also, we contaminate water. We are over exploiting water, due to which we are constantly facing water availability problem. Now, conservation of water. To get access to clean and adequate water sources, steps have been taken to preserve this resource. The very first one is we are trying to, increase the forest and vegetation cover. This forest and vegetation cover, it just not helps to reduce soil erosion, but once the soil is retained, even the moisture in the soil is retained, and the underground water, right, it keeps on increasing. The canals used for irrigating field should be properly lined to minimize losses by water seepage. Sprinklers effectively irrigate the area by checking water losses through seepage and evaporation. If dry regions with high rates of evaporation, in dry regions with high rates of evaporation, drip or trickle irrigation is very useful. The valuable water resource can therefore be conserved by adopting these means of irrigation. Now, these are certain methods through which water can be conserved, right? Now, there is a poster. You'll have to make a poster on water conservation, right? Make a poster on water conservation and you will share it tomorrow on your WhatsApp group. And if any query is there, class, you are free to ask me on your WhatsApp group. Go through all these slides thoroughly, note down your doubts, and share your queries on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.